A very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to start our next chapter, that is organic compounds containing nitrogen, and in this chapter we will discuss about the amines. Okay. So diazonium salt is also in in this chapter, but it is not in the syllabus right now. So we will discuss only about the amines. Okay. So now firstly we have the methods of preparation of amine. Okay. So before move on to the methods of preparation of amine, I want to discuss some general nomenclature with you. So, if we talk about the common name, okay, if we talk about the common name of amines, so the general name which is used as a common name is alkyl amines. Okay, so this name is used, alkyl amines. Okay, for example, if we have this compound CH3 NH2, then it is known as methylamine. Okay, methylamine. Okay, so similarly, if we have this compound CH3 CH2 NH2, then it is ethylamine. Okay, so this is the common name, and if I talk about this is the common general name, alkylamines. If we talk about IUPAC name, so IUPAC name, the general name is alkanamine. Alkanamine. Okay. So for example, if we talk about this compound CH3NH2, the first member, the name is methanamine. Okay, methanamine. Is it clear? So this is all about the 1 degree compounds. Okay. Now if we move on to the 2 degree compound or 3 degree compound, then we have to use a prefix, that is N. N. Okay. So N comma N alkylamine. If we talk about only 1 degree, 2 degree, one is substituted, then it is known as N alkyl. N alkyl alkanamine. Okay, and if it is this N shows that the alkyl group is attached to nitrogen, not to carbon. Okay, and if we have, this is for 2 degree, and if we have 3 degree, then N comma N alkyl dialkyl. If we talk about same, if we have same same substituent, alkanamine. Okay, for example, if we have this compound CH3 NHCH3 or CH2CH3. Okay, if we have this compound, then this is the substituent which is attached to nitrogen. So the name is N-methyl ethanamine. N-methyl ethanamine. This will be the name. Okay, is it clear now? So these are the this is the general nomenclature. Okay, if now if it is further substituted, then we have to use N comma N dimethyl ethanamine, or whatever will be the group present in the principal chain. Okay, so now let's discuss about the methods of preparation. Okay, you can practice some more nomenclature from the textbooks also. Okay, so this is quite easy. Similarly, for aromatic system, the first member is aniline. Okay, the first member is aniline. This is the first member, and this is known as aniline. Okay, then if we substitute methyl group, then it is known as toluidine. Okay, for example, this is known as metatoluidine. Toluidine. Okay, so this is very important. Toluidine, metatoluidine, paratoluidine, orthotoluidine. Okay, so this is just a common simple nomenclature. Okay, now let's move on to the methods of preparation. So the first method is actually uh, two or three methods are reduction. Okay, two or three methods are reduction. So we will discuss them also. The first method is reduction of nitro compounds. So by this method we can prepare both aromatic as well as aliphatic. Reduction of nitro compounds in presence of any reducing agent, for example lithium aluminum hydride, or there are some other metals which are also act as a reducing agent, for example palladium, nickel, okay, Raney nickel. So RNO2 in presence of any metal like we have Raney nickel, okay, platinum, uh, there are some other metals also, palladium. So we can easily prepare amines, okay. Similarly, if we have aromatic system, so in aromatic system also we can easily prepare okay. So aniline will be formed, okay. नाइट्रोबेंजीन से क्या बन गया, एनिलीन. Okay, so this is the general method, or we can also use tin HCl or FeHCl. Okay, this is also catalyst, or you can say these are also some good reagents. Okay, we have to do the reduction only. Simply we have to add H, this atomic hydrogen we have to add. Okay, this atomic hydrogen, whether it may be 4, 2 or 3 moles. Okay, so out of these two, iron HCl is more preferred. Okay, iron HCl is more preferred. Now this is the first method of preparation, okay, by reduction of nitro compound. The next method is Hofmann ammonolysis. Okay, next method is Hofmann ammonolysis. And this method we have also discussed in the chemical properties of alkyl halides, Hofmann's ammonolysis. Okay, and this method is used to prepare used to prepare only aliphatic compounds. Okay, no aromatic compound will be formed. Okay, this is the major limitation. Now in this reaction, alkyl halides we have to take, and on reaction with ammonia, okay, we will get NH3 negative, sorry, positive, X negative. Okay, then again this takes place at 100 degrees Celsius, near about 373 Kelvin, and the next step is reversible. We have to add the next molecule. So we will get RNH2 plus NH4X. Okay, ammonium chloride will leave, and we will get 1 degree amines. Okay, now if we further react this, if we have excess of alkyl halide, okay, if we have excess of ammonia, then 1 degree will be the major product. Okay, if we have excess of ammonia, then 1 degree will be the major product. But if we have excess of alkyl halide, then this 1 degree amine again react with the alkyl halide like this and convert it into R2NH, we'll get 2 positive, X negative. Okay, then again second molecule, so we will get R2NH plus NH4X will leave. Okay, so this is our 2 degree amine. Okay, next step again, if we have excess of alkyl halide, then this 2 degree will again react with the alkyl halide to form a 3 degree compound, positive X negative. Then this will again react with ammonia to give R3N, okay, plus NH4X, okay. This is our 3 degree amine. Now this 3 degree amine can also react with the next molecule to form quaternary, okay, quaternary product like this, Rx plus R3N, and this will give R4N positive X negative, okay. So this will be the quaternary product, okay, quaternary product, okay. So we will get 4 products if we have excess of alkyl halide, and the major product is this quaternary product. But if we have ammonia group as the ammonia group in excess, then we will get only 1 degree amines as the major product, okay. So if we have ammonia as the major product, if we have ammonia in excess, then 1 degree amines will be the major product, and if we have alkyl halides in excess, then 4 degree will be the quaternary product will be the major product. And the major limitation of this method is it will not form aromatic amines, because this, if we take this R group as aromatic, then we all know that this bond will not break, okay. This bond will not break because here resonance takes place, okay, resonance takes place. So that is why this bond will not break due to double bond character, okay. Due to double bond character in aryl halides, they are not you can say they are not able to give nucleophilic substitution reaction, okay. This is a type of nucleophilic substitution reaction because here ammonia is a nucleophile, okay. So this will attack on this alkyl halide. So nucleophilic substitution reaction is not given by aryl halide due to resonance. So they will get a double bond character, okay. So this is the second method of preparation of amines, and which is very very important, okay. So question may be asked related to this reaction, that if we have ammonia in excess, then what will be the major product, and if we have alkyl halides in excess, then what will be the major product. Now next method is third method, by reduction, okay, by reduction of cyanides, okay. And this is also a name reaction, that is Mendius reduction. So we can just use any reducing agent, for example lithium aluminum hydride, okay. So reacted with lithium aluminum hydride, and we will get RCH2 NH2, okay. So this is 1 degree amine, okay. And we can also form aromatic one. This is known as benzonitrile, because there is no hydrogen attached to this carbon, that is why we are using benzo name. So we can easily prepare, okay, benzylamine, okay. This is now known as benzylamine, okay. So with the help of this method, we can easily prepare aromatic as well as aliphatic, and this reaction is known as Mendius reduction. Okay. So I think in Mendius reduction we have to use the reagent as nickel or platinum as a metal, okay. Then this reaction is known as Mendius reduction, or we can also use lithium aluminum hydride, okay. So this is the third method of preparation. Now the fourth method is a name reaction, that is Gabriel Thalamide reaction, and this is a very very important name reaction, and question may be asked related to this reaction also. And actually questions are coming related to these type of name reaction, that is Gabriel, because there are not so much name reaction in this chapter, so they will give only these important name reaction in the exam. Gabriel thalamide reaction. Okay, and this method also have a limitation that it will not able to give aromatic amines. Okay, now we all know that what is thalamide. This is phthalic acid. If we have two COH group attached to adjacent carbon, this is known as phthalic acid. Okay. Now if I replace these, if we have this group, this is known as thalamide. Okay, this is known as thalamide. Okay, so now we have to react this thalamide first with this is C double bond O, C double bond O, NH plus reaction. Firstly, we have to react it with KOH. Okay, if we react it with KOH, then water will leave and we will get this product C double bond O, C double bond O, and negative K positive. Okay, then the next step is to react it with alkyl halide, for example C2H5I. Now this bond will we have to cleave this bond. And we all know that if we take aromatic system, then due to resonance this bond will not cleave. That is why they are not we will not use aromatic compound. Okay, so next step is this K positive and I negative will leave, and we will get this product N negative and C2H5 positive. Next step is simply the hydrolysis. Okay, so on hydrolysis we will get phthalic acid. Okay, वाटर के जो OH ग्रुप है वो यहाँ अटैच हो जाएगा to the carbonyl carbon, and the two hydrogens will attach to this group. Okay, and we will get ethylamine. Okay, ethylamine or ethanamine. Okay, so एक बार फिर से देखते हैं. The first step is we have to react this thalamide with KOH. Okay, and water will leave and we will get this as the first intermediate. Then this will react with C2H5I, that is iodoethane, and we will get this product. Okay, C double bond O over here. Okay, now then this upon hydrolysis will give phthalic acid. Okay, phthalic acid and ethanamine. Okay, so these with the help of this method we can easily prepare 1 degree compounds. Okay, so this is a very very important reaction. Okay, or I can also write it in I think there is some I can also write it again, because I think there is some space, there is not some space, and from here I am writing it again. So we have to react it with C2H5I, and then we will get this product C double bond O, C double bond O, and N negative C2H5. Okay, positive charge on this, and K and I will leave. I am writing it over here, minus Ki, and then hydrolysis. Okay. Okay, so I think everything is mixed up over here, so I am writing it again. So we will get phthalic acid, okay, COOH, and this C2H5N plus 2 hydrogen. We will get this amine, okay, ethanamine. Okay, so this will be the product. Okay, so this is also a very good name reaction, very important and this is quite efficient to prepare the amines. Okay, next method is also a name reaction, that is Hofmann bromamide reaction. Hofmann bromamide reaction. Okay, Hofmann degradation reaction or Hofmann bromamide reaction. Now, in this reaction, amides, we have to use amides, and this reaction can easily give aromatic also, and we have to react it with Br2 plus in presence of any alkali, and we will get R one carbon less. Okay, here we have here we have R plus one carbon, and but we will get amines with one carbon less. Okay, plus KBr plus K2CO3. Okay, plus water. Okay, now we have to balance the equation, and here we have 4K, and there are two. Okay, two OH groups. Now the reaction is balanced, and this is our 1 degree amine. Now the main limitation is that with the help of this method we can only prepare 1 degree amines. Okay, so only 1 degree amines we are able to prepare, only 1 degree amines. So 2 degree and 3 degree we are not going to prepare with the help of this method. Okay, so okay, so this is our fifth method. Next method is simply the reduction of amides. We can also prepare amines with the reduction of amines. Okay, just by reducing amides. Okay, by reduction of amides. Reduction of amides. Okay, so this is also a very simple method. Simply do the reduction and we will get the product. Okay, reduction, and we will get RCH2NH2. Okay, so this is the sixth method. Seventh method is also a reduction of oximes. Now what are oximes? So oximes we have already prepared when we react this carbonyl group with hydroxylamine. This is hydroxylamine, and water will leave. Nucleophilic addition followed by elimination of water. Okay, so this is oxime, and if we react this oxime, okay, if we react this oxime with lithium aluminium hydride, or we are doing the reduction, then we will get R H over here and NH. Okay, and okay, so we will get this product. Or we can also prepare a 2 degree compound with the help of this method. Okay, so we will get this product as the main product, reduction of oximes. Okay, now the next method is with the help of reductive amination of aldehydes and ketones. We can also prepare it by this method. This is 8th method and is the last method of preparation. Hofmann degradation is the best method to prepare 1 degree amines, and it is a very important name reaction. Similarly, Gabriel halamide is also a very important name reaction. 8th method is by amination of aldehydes and ketones. And ketone. Now in this method, we have to take carbonyl group. I am taking acetaldehyde, and we have to react it with ammonia. So firstly, nucleophilic substitution takes place. Okay, and we will get this product because 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen will will constitute a H2 and it will leave, and then we have to do simply the reduction. Okay, then we will get CH3C CH2 NH2. This will be the product. Okay. Okay, so these are the some methods of preparation of amines. Okay, so there are some more methods of preparation, like from azide group we can also prepare. So there are a lot of methods to prepare amines. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, so there are a lot of methods to prepare amines, but these 8 methods are the most important methods. Okay, so keep in your mind these 8 methods, and in the next class we will discuss about the physical and chemical properties of amines. Okay, and we can also do some tests in order to distinguish how to check or to distinguish 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines. And this topic is very important to distinguish the amines according to their degree. Okay, so I hope you found this lecture very helpful, and thank you so much for watching the lecture.